Now that we're in the air again, let's have another look at some of the information that we have presented to us. We have fuel flow in pounds per hour, and this can be used to manage how much range and endurance your aircraft is capable of. And also we have our overall fuel quantity. In total, we're carrying almost 23,000 pounds of fuel. It's very important to manage your fuel and keep an eye on it, especially when you're doing long-range missions. The only keybind you need to have set for this is for your refueling boom. Actually, it's not a boom as such. Essentially, the keybind opens a door on your left-hand wing root to allow the boom to connect to the aircraft from the tanker. As you can see, the boom is now open. Ideally, we want to be letting the tanker take control of final small adjustments to the aircraft. All we're going to be doing is holding the aircraft in a position so that the tanker can connect to us. You do not look over your shoulder to see how you're doing. You focus only on the aircraft's display, and we'll get to that in a moment. So as you can tell, we're about 2.4 miles out from the KC-135. We're going to at least initiate communications with the tanker. This is to inform the tanker of our intentions to refuel. We're going to press the communications key, select tanker, select ARCO, because that's the one in front of us, and select intent to refuel. We've been cleared contact, our door is open. Now what we're going to do is we're going to focus on the tanker. If you notice underneath here, there are some guiding lights. I'll explain to you in a minute what these do.
Contact. You're taking fuel.
From the underside of the tanker, we can see these indications. What the tanker is currently telling me is that I need to go up. As you can see, as indicated by the red triangle on the left-hand side. If the triangles go green, or you see a green square on either side, that means you're within the limit for that chosen position. On the right hand side you see F and A. This is indicating whether or not I need to go forwards or I need to go aft. As indicated by the A, I am too far forwards and I need to go backwards, aft. When you have the two in green limits, or with green boxes in the middle, you are within limits of the tanker and the tanker can connect its boom to you. Keep in mind that if you stray out of these limits, the tanker will automatically disconnect from you, and you'll just have to reconnect again. Keep in mind that you are not supposed to look behind you and position the boom to the aircraft. There is a boom operator up there, and he's going to take care of connecting it for you. All you have to do is make sure that you are holding the plane in position, and that the aircraft stays within the specified limits. Once the aircraft is full of fuel, the tanker will tell you that the transfer is complete and you're clear to disconnect.
Transfer complete. Disconnect.
So that's it for air-to-air refueling. Once you're finished refueling, make sure that your door is closed and continue on with the mission, making sure to do a quick flyby and waving goodbye to the tanker as you go past.